Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Welcome back. Let's talk some Cardano. And this is a video that I did not want to make. Okay. Unfortunately, on this Sunday, though, we have to. We have to talk about it. We have to talk about a few scenarios, take a dive into the trading view, and I'll give you guys my thoughts towards the end of this video. So make sure you guys all subscribe down below, smash that like button as well, and please let me know your thoughts on this matter as we move forward in this video. Okay, so let's get down into it. Here's what we're doing today in the market. Here's the crypto bubbles. Bitcoin 5.5 down, ETH is 7.8 down, and we're seeing Cardano right now 11% down on the daily, okay? But this is the unfortunate. We're going to look at a trading view. We have breached 50 cents, and we're on the verge of getting down below 45 cents. So the next support line we're going to be seeing here is unfortunately around 38 cents. So we talk about Cardano. Simply, this is a huge sell-off, okay? A couple big red candles, a lot of downward momentum. We had the momentum down flash within my trading indicator at 67 cents, and we're continuing this trek. So the nice thing about using my trading indicator XD Algo is this is a unique opportunity. So I probably will be scooping up some Cardano. As soon as this momentum up flashes, right? I'm on the daily candle, but if we go to the 2 hour, okay, as soon as I see some momentum up, I'm going to be buying some Cardano. That's just how I'm doing it. Always, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But that's kind of where I'm at, where my head's at, where I'm leaning, okay? And what I want to bring into the matter when we talk about Cardano, okay, is this was all a crazy gain that we saw back here in December of 2023. And we're coming close to give it all back. Now, right here, we've seen a little bit of buyback, right? So we just did breach below 45 cents as we're live recording, okay? But there's a couple scenarios we need to talk about. Bitcoin halving coming up next week. What happened back in 2020, okay? So let's look at the 5-year. I'm going to refine this for you guys, okay? So this is the 5-year with ADA. Now we go back into 2020, and this was a very different scenario, okay? This was before ADA was doing really anything. And that's where we saw this huge ascent happen. Now, obviously, ADA from the bottom is different than where we were at ADA right now, but that's basically what happened in 2021, just basically a year after the halving event, okay? But where we're at right here, right now, relatively speaking, if we zoom out, this is a very minor glitch in the Cardano price. That's just my personal take. Okay, obviously you guys are going to say Cardano's tanking, it's crashing, nothing good's going to happen, it's dead, it's a ghost chain, right? All that good stuff. But even where we were falling from, 71 cents, right? That's something where I look at Cardano, it's something that is just a blip on my radar. I'm playing the long game, okay? But for those of you that are into Cardano and you're freaking out and you're looking at the charts and you're wondering, why is Cardano crashing? Well, guys, quite frankly, nobody knows. That's just the nuts and bolts of it. It just doesn't have that attentiveness that people want in a crypto right now in today's market, okay? And we'll take a dive into the fear and greed index, right? Last week, we were in extreme greed. And we've dipped down to a little bit into just the 72 ballpark, which is greed. And we can even bring this into the equation, all right, looking at ADA in terms of their fear and greed, right? So this is something where we're seeing the same kind of metrics. The crypto market is very greedy right now, which greed yields volatility, so on and so forth. So I do want to bring upon one of the more prominent voices within Cardano and ADA, Dan Gambardella on X, recent post. Now, this was a couple days ago. Cardano is crashing today. It's not what any holder enjoys, but we discussed this exact move. No guarantee that the support holds. Well, after watching that video, that's kind of what happened. The support did not hold, all right? And more so, we're going to look into this because we can go back in time Thursday, right? the article came out, Cardano at risk of crashing to 40 cents as important metrics turn bearish. So the decline in trading volume, that's one of the metric. Derivatives market is also a bearish outlook right now. And that's kind of what we're seeing. So I wanted to put all these things into perspective for you. I wanted to tell you guys, though, with how I'm viewing my ADA, I'm not selling. I'm not selling on a dip. It's just not where I'm at. It's not where my head game's at. Okay. I believe Cardano will get bought back. I'm sure later on in the day we're going to have some information why it's selling off. But that's just kind of how I'm viewing it. The Bitcoin halving is coming. I don't think we're going to give back these gains permanently. It's just kind of where we're at. We couple that with some of the extreme volatility that we've saw with the missile attacks over in the Middle East. That's another negative player within the crypto game. And as we look at the overall market, though, a lot of meme coins are running still. All right. This is less of a decrease on the daily than what we're seeing from yesterday. Yesterday was a flash crash, 20% plus for pretty much every single asset out there. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm not overreacting. I know looking at this chart, looking at your ADA holdings, we're freaking out. That's natural, okay? But just as easy as we can go down with these two red candles, right, this can happen just as well. And that's kind of how I view it. I think we're going to bounce off of this 38 cents level if we get down there. I personally don't think we will. We've bounced off of this 47 cents kind of support line that we had right here. And then I look to get us trading back here. So if Cardano falls even further, this will be probably a way that I'm going to lower my cost basis and scoop up some more ADA. Controversial move for most, but like I said, when this momentum up flashes with my trading indicator, I am going to be looking to possibly enter ADA with some more exposure. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm not freaking out. All right. Just wanted to give you guys a update on this lovely Sunday. As always, if you want to help with your crypto trading, use my trading indicator that I use. All right. Promo code is NYFC. Link down below in the description. 20% off, 30-day money back guarantee. Simply works. Check it out. Sign up for the first month. If you don't like it, cancel. No questions asked. Okay. That's where we're at. Obviously, nobody has that crystal ball. So you guys are probably going to be asking me in the comments, is Cardano headed down to 25 cents? Is it headed down to 30 cents? Hard to say. But if anything is alike with what I've done in my experience trading crypto, we could very easily be back at around 65 cents before the end of the day tomorrow. But don't take anything for granted. Take it for what it is. This is what we're seeing on the charts. 45 cents. Unfortunately, that's where we're at. Let's look for a rebound. Let's hold the course, not try to be emotional. And as always, you got to do what's best for you, though. That's kind of where we're at with all this. Everybody has a different financial situation. As for me, I'm not going to sell a Cardano until we get close to 2030. But that's kind of how I just look at it within my own personal holdings and outlook. So hope you guys are all doing well. Sorry for this doom and gloom video within Cardano, but unfortunately we got to talk about it. Good days and bad days. I'm not just going to pump sunshine here on the channel. This is not FUD. It's just the chart. So hope you all are doing well. Like I said, remember to subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow in the next video. Cheers.